gymnastics. He learned rapping. And I died.
He's going with you.
And I got this.
You're bringing that?
Okay.
Okay. That's a good idea.
And this is the way forward. I can juggle.
Binili pala namin yan sa Target kahapon. Kasi hindi ko pa inopen yung malaki niyang car. Reward niya kasi nag-push siya sa toilet. Hmm? Oh, there you go. You wanna see? See? Push him. So, excavator siya. Excavator ba yan, boy? What's that? Tapos merong Paw Patrol character.
A dog.
That's a dog. We don't know him. What's his name, guys?
It's Paw Patrol.
Yeah, from Paw Patrol. But what's his name? Hindi kami nanonood ng Paw Patrol eh. Alam lang niya yung Paw Patrol but we don't watch it.
Put him here. Put him here. Put him here.
You're bringing that to Ate's gymnastics? You will play with that?
Fold it.
Don't lose it, okay?
Mama, we can fold it too.
Guys, pick up your toys please before you go. Look at all this mess. Kakagising lang natin. Tingnan nyo. Pick it up. Come on. I see a gun. You did it. Hello? Come on, pick it up before you go to gymnastics. Clean up.
Yeah, I have to clean up.
Did you make any mess?
No.
I see a piano there that needs to go on the table.
That was all our toes.
Hello, you made all this mess. Hinahanap niya kasi yung dog kanina. Nawala kasi yan. Alright, put that back. And your toys. The dinosaur, please. The raptor, the raptor. Put it back in the box.
Put this right here, Mommy. Clean Mom.
Yeah, yeah. He. Put him in. Thank you. Huwag kayong mag-iwan ng kalat. Nag-clean up kami. Gabi-gabi nagki-clean up kami, di ba? Pagising. Kakagising lang. Kumain lang ng breakfast. May kalat na naman. But that's okay. That's life. Ayla, I need your help with that, please, because I need a strong girl for it. Vietnamese coffee tayo, guys. The fruit is there. And just water. And then we're good.
What happened to this water?
What's that?
What happens if we lose water?
We die.
What did you drink my Easter egg?
Yeah, Daddy broke that.
I need some paper yesterday, Bridges.
What?
I need some paper today, but we're going to paper these strips this weekend, which is even better.
Hey, do you want some grapes? Aw, good job. Yummy grapes. Oh, is it cold? Yeah. Ay, ang galing. Gustong-gusto niya yan. Very good, Baba. Hindi ko alam kung na-vlog ko yung na-try na niya strawberries. Tas yan, grapes. Lagyan natin yan banana next time. Good job, Lang. Good morning. It's just you and me. It's just you and me, Lang, beautiful. Hello. Pretty. Are you a pretty girl? Sus, bayag inday ay. Ang aga nito nagising. 6 in the morning. Gising na kaming dalawa.
What is it, Isla? Oh, for Daddy?
No.
I mean, no.
Chocolate.
Wherever your light goes, I will follow you around. I won't let the sun go down without you. Tell me you need me, tell me you care. Show me your weakness when life isn't fair. Yeah. Until you let down your hair. So even if you lose your way, I will still be there.
Like, do you want to play too?
Out of your garden now.
Someone's ready to sleep. Do you want to show the guys what you did? Look it, guys. She did really well. Oh, you like fruit? I'm glad that you like this one, Baba. Gusto niya. Good job lang. I'm gonna put you to sleep and hopefully do some work. Yeah? Matutulog ka ba agad? That's enough na. What time is it? Do you want milky? Do you want milky? I'll give you milky. Yeah? I'll give you milky. Tapos patulugin kita. I think it's 9:50. So, in 10 minutes, tapos na yung gymnastics ni ate. And then, magdadrive yun pa uwi. Tapos, stay lang ng saglit and swimming na naman sila. Gusto kong asikasuhin yung pang Bali namin. Kasi nag-iba na yung requirements ng Bali. May additional requirements sila para makapasok ka sa country. Noon kasi, naalala ko, visa lang eh. I don't need visa kasi Philippine passport pa din ako. Kasi kapag may Philippines passport ka, it's visa free for you to go to Bali. But, the rest of the fandom are Australians. So, kailangan ko silang kunan ng visa. So, I get the visa online para pagdating namin doon, hindi na kami pipila for visa. And then, yung additional requirements nga, I think it's health declaration, something like that. So, I have to do that. And ang dami na namin. Ang dami kong kailangan gawa ng ganyan. Yung trip namin, guys, is sa Sabado pa. Next Sabado. So, in a week's time. But, we will have visitors. So, I will not have time to do it. Tapos, school holiday na din. Kasi, syempre, kapag may bisita, I make sure na look after natin yung bisita natin. So, I wanna do it now. Para wala na akong isipin habang nandito yung mga bisita natin. Darating yung bisita natin bukas! Yeah. Who are you gonna see tomorrow? Who are you gonna see tomorrow? Lang. You excited? Are you excited? You gonna sleep? So, I had it on my... Asan yung phone ko, be? Agwe, nakalimutan natin dalhin. Nasa phone ko na yung link. And guys, ang init na naman, guys. Apaka-init na naman ang panahon. Last week lang, naka-long sleeve kami kasi malamig na. Ngayon, ang init na naman. Apaka-init na naman, girl. 30-something degrees ngayon. Hello, girl. Hey. You don't wanna eat? Gusto niyo talaga kasi tumingin sa inyo. I-off ko na kayo kasi nade-distract. Dinidistract niyo yung anak ko.
Write your name in the stars. You can confide in me. Tell me your mysteries. I was a shell of a man who would swim with the tide, wash away with the sand. And at times there was no sign of relief. And I'll never understand why you rescue me. Tell me you need me. Tell me you care. Show me your weakness when life isn't fair. Oh, I was a sad, sad story until you let down your hair. So even if you lose your way.
Alright, nagising ang ating Inday. Siguro natulog lang siya ng mga 20 minutes. 10:49 na. Wala pa din yung pamilya ko. So, baka dumaan ng grocery sila, guys, kasi wala pa sila. Kaninang 10 natapos yung ni Ayla, gymnastics. Anyway, I'm starting to do the requirements for Bali now. There's 4 on the list. So, first is visa, again for Australians. And then health pass. tourist levy and customs declaration. I-search ko pa din siya just to make sure. Kasi itong video na to sa TikTok ko siya nakita eh. Requirements for Bali. Hi!
Is that swimming style ready?
Yes. Yeah, I got it.
Towel, Mommy.
What?
Yellow towel.
I did not come. Oh, I missed you.
That is Kransky for you.
Oh, thank you. Did you get me, Kransky?
Yeah.
Hey, you farted. Do you want to go in the toilet?
Mommy. I eat this, Mom.
You want to eat it? Okay, we can share. How's Ate's gymnastics?
I
Oh, like that?
Yeah.
Did Ate Ayla do that?
Yeah.
Was she really good? Did you say good job, Ate?
I did two job.
Oh, I'm doing our Bali requirements now. Sir. Kransky. Thank you, Dada. You like it? Oh, patay na. Binawian na tayo ng pagkain. He had a donut. He likes savory stuff like Mama. You want some too? Okay.
Yeah, Mommy, color.
Time check, 11:07. Nakaalis na naman yung aking pamilya. And Indy's just there, chilling. And yeah, ito yung list ng requirements for Australian citizens. So for Filipinos, just -1. Wala yung visa on arrival. So lahat yan, asikasuhin natin today para wala na tayong isipin. So ililive ko yung link nito sa baba, guys, just in case you need it. This is just from Virgin Australia website. And then within the same link, nandiyan na din yung link kung saan kayo makakakuha ng visa online. At saka yung tourist levy din, nandito na din. So lagay lang arrival date. Oh my gosh, 5 na kami magta-travel. So you need your passport number, obviously. Alright, so I'm currently doing the International Tourism Levy. Bago to, guys. I don't remember doing this last time we went. And total naming lahat, so 5, is $77.17 Australian dollar. So that's 772,500 Indonesian money. So, hindi ko alam kung magkaiba yung presyo ng bata kasi hindi siya naka-itemize. But, I'm just telling you guys how much yung total naming lahat. Yun lang yung inuna ko kasi yun yung una kong link na nakita. So it's 750,000 pala, guys. Kasi merong service fee na 22,500. So yeah, 750,000 para sa aming lahat. So I'm guessing it's 150,000 per person. Tapos, after mo siyang bayaran, magsisend sila sa'yo ng email na merong download link and merong QR code. So, isave mo lang yan lahat. So, that's done. So, now I'm applying for their visa naman. Update. It's 12:23 ng hapon. Kakatawag lang ni Dan. Tapos na sila sa swimming. Papunta silang Macas. Dalhin niya sa playground yung mga bata. Hindi is gising na gising. Tinry ko siyang patulugin kanina, guys. Kasi medyo umiiyak na siya kanina. So, tinatry kong patulugin kasi hindi pa siya natutulog ng ayos. She had 15 minutes nap kanina, tapos nagising, diba? Tapos ngayon, okay na naman siya. Hindi man lang nag-nap. Tinry kong patulugin, ayaw niya matulog. So, okay pa siya dyan. I went back to my gawain. Hindi ko matapos-tapos yung visa kasi kailangan ko ng picture. So, may picture ako ni Arlo at saka ni Dan. So, natapos ko na yung kay Dan. Hindi pa completely tapos kasi group yung ginawa kong pag-apply ng visa eh. Yung gagawin ni Dan is pag-stop nila sa Macas mamaya, pipicturean niya si Ayla. Kasi kailangan mo mag-upload ng photo for the visa application. And then, matatapos na ako. So, yun na lang yung hinihintay ko. Picture ni Ayla. Tapos, after nun is, i-finalize ko na yung kanilang visa. Now, for the other 2 requirements, which are the health pass and the customs declaration, hindi ko pa siya magawa ngayon. Kasi you can only do it within 3 days of your departure. So, kailangan ko silang gawin sa Thursday. Yeah, but at least matapos na natin yung visa at saka yung, ano ba yung ginawa natin kanina? Tourism levy today. Kasi medyo matrabaho din siya ha, lalo na kung ang dami nyo. So I highly recommend you do it, guys, in advance, lalo na kung family kayo magta-travel, may mga bata. I always make sure na ginagawa ko yung mga application kung magagawa ko siya online in advance. Kasi kung sa Bali ka pupunta, pwede ka naman kumuha ng visa on arrival. But then again, Doon ka pa mag-fill out nitong mga to para kumuha ng visa, yung pila, alam mo yun. Yun yung ginawa ko last year. Kinunan ko sila ng visa online. Tapos, yung pila namin hindi ganun kahaba. Lalo na kung pupunta kayo during the peak season. So, peak season kami pupunta kasi Easter holiday nga. So, yun na lang yung hinihintay natin yung kay ate na lang. Alright guys, nabayaran ko na lahat. Isa-isa pa talaga yung bayad. So, isa-isa ko in-enter yung details ng aking card. Pero yung nabayaran ko is 500,000 Indonesian rupiah each. And approve agad-agad. So, meron agad-agad akong copy ng visas nila. Okay, so Daddy, Indy, Ayla, Arlo. Oh, good. 3 kids, Daddy. Okay, very good. Tapos na tayo mga guys. Additional tip din kapag nagta-travel kayo, well, this is what I do and it makes my life easier kasi ako nag-handle lahat ng mga documents eh. Kapag mga boarding pass, pag check-in, ako lahat yan para kapag may tanong man about dyan, ako agad. Si Dan na bahala pagkarga ng mga bagay-bagay. But when it comes to documents, ako lahat. So, what I do is, meron akong separate folder ng trip na yun. So, for example, meron akong separate folder sa email ko na Bali 2025 and dun ko sinisend lahat ng mga kailangan like flight ticket, hotel booking, resort booking, nandun na lahat. And in this case, passport. And then, kapag natapos ko na yung ibang requirements, dun ko din siya sinisave sa folder na yun. So, kapag meron akong kailangan for the trip, I automatically go to that folder and nandun na lahat ng kailangan ko. It just makes my life easier and more organized. So, meron din akong separate folder na for Philippines kasi nabook na namin yung Philippines ticket namin. So, as soon as na-start ko na ma-book or nag-start na kaming mag-organize ng trip, nagke-create na ako ng folder niyan sa email ko para organized. And again, kapag may hinahanap ka, hindi mo na kailangan i-search sa email mo na, oh, Philippines ticket. Nandun na siya. Sa folder na yun, automatic na siya. So, all good. So, for now, yun na yung magagawa ko. What are you doing, ate?
I'm coloring.
Easter stuff. It says Happy Easter. Daddy got it for you. Show me. Can you show the guys?
Also, this way falls tomorrow.
Oh wow! Good job, guys.
We got
Oh, did you get new ones? Did you get these?
yeah.
Wow! You guys are lucky.
And Jonathan. Me, Jonathan.
Alo said something earlier. Where are you going, Alo?
Philippines.
Philippines?
Yeah, I buy this and Jonathan Philippines.
I'm not going
You
to.
can go with me. I'm going to America and you can come too.
Okay, so I'm going to America with Ayla.
And Indy can come and the boys can go to Philippines.
Okay, and the boys are going to the Philippines. Okay.
No, I don't like later.
You want to go to America?
No, Daddy's going to be with you and he's going to give you chocolate egg. No, I am later.
Oh, you want to go to America?
Okay.
Hello, don't break it. Don't break it, mate. And gusto kong gusto ko bang magpa-nails? Parang tagal ko nang walang nails, guys. December ata, hindi na ako nagpapa-nails. Tapos hindi na ako naglalagay ng press
You
on.
know, sticker,
Parang gusto
Mama.
ko dahil yung natural look ng nails. Parang ang linis kasi din.
Tiny sticker, Mama.
Ewan ko. Sabi kasi ni Dan, libre ka ngayon. Gusto mo ba magpa-nails? Maybe pedicure. Pedicure lang ate. Gusto mo sumama ba?
Mommy,
Yeah, pedicure siguro na lang. Wag lang yung kamay.
it's boys.
Kasi hindi ko ma-maintain, guys. Ang hirap na talaga ng schedule lately.
Tiny.
Bakit na tayo nag-i-Easter? Itong daddy natin talaga naman.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, W, X, T, U, P, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know your ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me?
Good job, guys.
my God.
Who wants a blue one?
D,
Okay. Who wants a red one? Red and pink.
Ang aga naman ng Easter, daddy.
Sorry?
Too early for Easter.
No, because they won't really be here very soon. So this is...
Oh no, I'm
This is
still
just
doing
something
Easter
to-
for them. I'm doing Easter for them there. Leave some eggs for their bags. Nandun na, oh.
That's mine.
Ayun, oh. Nakikita nyo ba yun? Ayan. Nandyan na nakatago na yung binili kong mga, tsokolate. Do you know what my favorite is?
Crunchy?
No, not there. You have to get me my favorite as well. Do you remember? Which one?
What is it?
I like the Kit Kat ones, remember? The Kit.
Cat one.
I don't know special.
What
You
is
tell
that?
daddy.
He wants a special one.
The cheaper ones.
I want the Kit Kat and the Ferrero
We
eggs.
have- we have
Hey,
banana.
can I have some back?
Which one do you want? The crunchy?
I don't know. Like,
Have that
which
one.
one's good? Is this pure?
Yeah.
No, I don't want pure.
That one's Turkish delight.
I don't want Turkish.
I'll give you one each as well, guys.
There's marshmallow egg.
There's only one. Do you want some? I should share it with you.
I'll have a bite.
You don't like marshmallow, guys.
I want the crunchy. Yes. Dream.
That's that one. I want that one. There's more in there. There's more in there.
Guys, I paint one now, and I want you to see, and my mom paint me toenails too. And it's gonna be so much fun. And I see Ellie. How old is Ellie?
How old is Ellie?
Daddy, how old is Ellie?
I'm not sure how old is Ellie. How old is Ellie, Dada?
How old is Ellie?
9?
9, 10.
10? Yeah. Right, do you want me to paint your toenails? It is school holidays, so we can paint Isla's toenails. Hmm?
That was the best one, wasn't it?
The one. Which one?
The painting our toenails.
Oh yeah. Is it the best thing ever?
Yeah.
So sabi namin kanina, alis kami, di ba, magpapanis. Hindi kami umalis, guys. Nag-edit ako.
Ellie is my best friend.
Is she your best friend?
Yeah. My older best friend.
And then
My
you...
mom's called them my younger best friend.
Who's your younger best friend?
Addie.
Aww.
And I am a little bit older best friend with her mom.
Hmm.
And I'm the medium.
You're the medium.
No one can be always like me.
So yung ginawa ko, kinat ko na lang din yung nails ko. So it's nice and short and clean. Tapos I painted my toenails. So, di ba? Hindi na natin kailangan pumunta ng ano bukas. Kasi inisip ko, maybe we'll go to the salon in Bali, you and me. Is that a good idea?
Yeah?
Yeah.
Daddy, can we go to the nail salon
Sure.
In Bali.
in Bali? Can we go to the nail salon in Bali?
Sorry?
Can we go to the nail salon in Bali?
Here you are.
So you and me can go to a nail salon?
I'm not gonna be older.
I don't have to be older. I think you're old enough now. We can have a pedicure. We can have a foot spa. What do you think?
I wanna have a foot spa.
You want to have a foot spa? I think Daddy wants one too.
Daddy, do a foot spa.
Yes. I do actually.
Yeah. Hala. Sino ang nakaboat today? Alis pala kami, guys. Punta kami sa sa bahay ng friend ni Dan. Catch up.
The girls are fashion.
Fashion! Alright, let's go. She loves you. Is she smiling really big? We are 5 minutes away, guys. Who are you gonna see there?
I'm not the LA.
And who else?
I see
Cousins, no cousins. Friends.
friends.
Yeah, friends. Oh.
You'll see cousins next Friday. Nanny's going to do a big lunch. We're going to Nanny's house. We'll have a really nice lunch. Lots of fish.
fish. I love fish.
I love fish too.
I don't like fish.
She's doing ravioli. Asan na si Ayla? Where's ate?
He's right there.
They're making, ano yung ginagawa nila? Icy cone, something. Ah, let me see. What color did you get? Huh? What color? Ooh, purple. Nice. Let me see. What color did you get?
Yeah.
Blue. Hello. Are you enjoying this? O, diba? Niwan kasi Indy dito. Indy, yeah!
Oh, sorry, Jackson. Sorry.
Ah, okay. Oh, you gotta be careful, Alo. Don't touch anything. Just relax there, Alo. Good job.
Oh, type of it. Long. Let's pretend to be cats.
That's pretty cool.
Good job.
Ay, Arlo, watch out. My gosh. I'm scared too. Oh, Alo. Is Alo doing it? Careful, Alo. Careful, mate. Oh my gosh. Okay, just watch Alo, guys. Alright, it's almost done. Alo. Alo. Just wait, Alo. Alright. At the same time? Alright, you gotta wait. Okay. Yeah. Aw, thank you.
Little piggy went
Go. Again.
Hit that one. Just hit that one.
and this little piggy had.
Push.
Push it. Quick, Alan.
Oh, I stuck.
More Alo.
Quick, hit it again, Alan.
Ayla, don't do it.
Push it. Push that one. Push
Ayla, don't do it.
Quick.
Yay! High five, everyone. Oh, Imogen. Yay, what do you say? Thank you, everyone.
Yay!